Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for participating in the giveaway. Now it's officially closed. We will be posting the winners next week. And let's get on with the recipe. We are making monkey bread. Now why is it called monkey bread or pull apart bread? Because we pull out the bread like a monkey pulls out the fruit from the tree. So let's get started. So the first step to make this monkey bread is to take half a cup of warm water. Not too hot, it should be warm. Then I will add 2 teaspoons of sugar. This helps in activating the yeast. I'll mix that. After the sugar has dissolved, we will add 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. 1 and 2. Now we will mix that well using a spoon. Now we will let it rest, covering it with a plate so that it starts to activate. This is a really great recipe and can be made any time of the day for kids as well as me. So I will add total 2 cups of flour, so 1 and the second cup. I will add around a teaspoon of big seasoning, so like I'll just add it like this. Then I will add a tablespoon of crushed garlic. Now I will put the yeast mixture. It should be really foamy like this. And start kneading it. I'll keep kneading it for 10-15 minutes to get a smooth and soft dough. As the dough is dry, we will add 1/4 cup of water. We want the dough to be slightly sticky. Keep kneading. It will start coming together into a soft dough. So I kneaded the dough for 15 minutes and now it's very soft. So I will just brush some butter on top and do cover it with a cloth for an hour. So it's been an hour and the dough has risen. I will just punch it and let all the air out. Now we have to divide it into equal portions, or you can say really small balls, just like this. I have divided the dough into equal portions and let it proof for around 10 to 15 minutes. You just take some milk and brush it on top so that the monkey bread comes golden and brown. After brushing the milk, we will add some, guess, mozzarella. Let's be a little generous, And the last thing that we have to add is some big seasoning, as it gives flavor. Also preheat your oven at 180 degrees for just 10 minutes. Then this will go in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. So the monkey bread is ready and I'm jumping with joy like a real monkey. Try this recipe and share your feedback with me. Thanks for watching. Also like and subscribe to my channel. And the next recipe I'll be posting will be related to chocolate. So stay tuned.